It's a good opportunity to meet with fellow airline colleagues and also with experts from Sirax Revenue Accounting Management. It gives you a lot of feedback and it gives you some inputs for the future.
The community has been growing all the time, which brings more opinions and experiences to the community, which I find very beneficial. We don't just share our experiences in Sirax, but also in difficult business processes which are changing all the time.
This conference is really useful and helpful. The most important thing is that we can share all information and issues with all Sirax community. Besides, we can discuss all issues and changes with experts, so we can find better solutions.
I think the event was very great. I'm always looking forward to meet our customers because there's a lot of communication all over the year, via phone, via email, but to meet personally is really different.
It's good to hear about news and new industry developments and how Sirax does react on it. For example, the European Union new data protection laws.
In 2 days we are really knowing the customer better, and it's really good to have a deeper impression of the customer. Yesterday was very special for me to see one of our new customers really so happy in the kitchen and so happy cooking. So this was very good for me and for the customer as well.
We had a great event last night. We cooked together. I think it was a perfect environment to get to know each other.
What is really very good and worth being here is to have exchange with other Sirax community members, with other airlines, what kind of challenges they have.
Everybody who is really involved in these topics has to participate here.